Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, click in this sign down here, you just click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, then you click here on settings here, just click on it. Then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this here. You click here on push notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You come here to purchase tickets. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's going, that's mean purchase tickets disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.